it, open it, open it, open it. Open it, open it, open it. Cheers! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Bonsoir les belles dames, joyeux Noël encore, joyeux Noël, là vraiment déjà tout lati. Donc voilà, nous sommes comme ça. Et je suis Mère double K, oui c'est moi. Mère double K, oui c'est moi. Avec cœur. Anyway. Donc voilà, comme il y a là, tout ce qui n'est pas Coco et pas Nana, il y a Kylian et Kiara, parce que qui n'est quand même qu'on fête moi d'un moment qu'on les sacrés, mais qu'on fait encore un cadeau, là on connaît pas Nana, pour bah on a toujours un cadeau des fois, et pas na biso mon andako, et bah on a paix et pas Nana na bah on se va comme kuna. Mais bonjour qui chasse on est à nier que Max. Bien sûr. Eh, tu as eu raison non, parce que on tourne à fatigué. Donc voilà. Anyway, bébé ça peut nous faire monter, bébé ok?
Oui, ça va, on est fatigué, mais après ça continue.
Ouais, tu vas vraiment fatigué. Si tu n'as pas d'aller bien, tu vas déjeuner qui est sauté parce qu'on a occupé la cuisine et fait un bon gamin, fait un bon sakiara souki. Tu n'as même pas filmé bango, mais vraiment joli na ba jump na bango Christmas, on filme on t'a pas na bon na bango, mais qui vraiment joli. Na tiens que photo na Instagram, c'est vraiment joli bon balai. Mais dans un temps on filme dans un temps qu'on quand photo la sa famille na ba jump parce que tous qui vraiment fatigué aussi et na ba air et tout donc voilà. Là tu comme 17h50 mais libanda comme ça mundo le rôle à 23h mais ça à 17h. Comme on a dit panana, mais c'est quand on a ça, beaucoup na biso ya Christmas et kozala ah donc même ensemble tout le monde a dengue journée na Christmas et ça passé OK je non souhaiter bien encore joyeux Noël donc vous allez bien vous fêter bien et là l'équipe mon a bon moyen de konanga exact donc to enjoy to senganzambe merci ya monde est vraiment important donc on a donc ça bino let's go guys are you okay? Oh, look at you, my people. My people! My people! Let's go. Hello, Mama. Say Merry Christmas. Are you okay, Mama? Oh, my God. Kylian, come here. I want to see your camera. Say Merry Christmas.
Of course, Emma got the usual.
Show me your present.
Carrot cake.
Wow, look. This is Kiara's, Kylian and Kiara's present. Kiara, look at your present. Do your makeup? That's beautiful.
Yeah.
This is nice. You
Voila.
like a rosé sweet, you know? Yeah.
Here we go. Patricia, we ready?
Oui.
Oh, waiting for daddy.
Yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
It says, yeah, I like it.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Kylian. Merry Christmas, Kiara. Merry Christmas.
Open it.
Open it, open it. Yeah, yeah. Don't choose the bed, damn.
Cheers.
He's upset.
If you come, yeah, I give my kiss.
Okay. I'm double vaccinated. Yeah, we can unlock his. How are you?
Good. Bless you. I want to eat you.
You open the present too, okay?
We got all these presents.
Yeah?
All these presents. Not also combo d'angeza kotoni. Eh non, on a même pas.
You know your voice, isn't it?
Mais all these presents au fond là on bientôt. Vous voulez Christmas tree à maman. On va te comme une belle d'olive, comme ça dans la cuisine.
Ça va?
Mama, you gonna eat gratin? Okay. Donc present time, et on fait la present et pour qui to lié bien, ce que on fait la present.
from Tata Fifi.
Alessio, open it.
Why don't you give them one first so you can see how they open?
Okay.
Kiara.
Nana.
Come on, Kiara, open. Open. You don't want.
She likes the small one.
Oh.
You want the small one.
Alinga mkie na ngo alinga munene te. Bapi sama na open na ngopo na ye.
Allez, mommy, open it.
Open.
Okay. This is not for me. This is for Kiara. Open it.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Yeah. Alicia, it's your turn. Alessio.
Nice. Alessio, come.
Come and open. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Well done.
Alessio wants that.
Okay, who's next?
Who's next?
For Kylian from Tonto Jean-Louis and Todi Cynthia.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Thank you, Dancing Cynthia.
At this age, they don't like clothes. I know Daddy gives you away. That's so nice.
Daddy, do you like it?
Sachet.
Who's next?
That's the
That one. No, it's for you. I'll keep it here.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, yeah.
Cleaning the
Good job.
Who's next?
Alessio from Nana.
Oh,
Alessio, open it. 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 Yeah. Who's next?
James.
For Kylian from Pacha and Alessio.
Kylian, come here.
Open it.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
There's two.
Open
Open
it.
the top one first.
Open the top one, Daddy. Open it. Open. Open it. Open it. Open it. Let's open it. Daddy, hurry up. Wow. Nyonso à côté. Hey, Kiara, as we mop in the cleaning time.
From Paul.
Open it, open it, open it. Yeah.
We don't have as many people this year.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pearly.
You're welcome.
Alessio.
I think this is for Alessio.
Alessio.
Yeah. Open it, open it, open it.
Wow.
From
Something.
Oh. Open it, open it, open it, open it, open it. Yeah. They use that thing.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Yeah. Open it.
Do you want me to help you, darling?
Open from there.
Oh, look. Carry on from here, my love.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Wow. Yes, show me, Mama. Wow.
Open it.
Yeah. What is it?
A mug.
Oh, that's nice.
And that cost parfum.
Oh, okay. We have the wrappers. Who's that from?
Kiara from Nana.
Wow, Nana. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Mama, open. Open.
Let me help you.
Okay.
Let me help you.
Open it. Open it. Wow, Nana. Wow. Mama, show me. Mama, show me.
See her face.
Wow, Nana. Yeah, Princess house. What happened at Barbie, no? Ozzy house.
Love my name.
From Auntie Stephanie and the Dodon.
Thank you, Dr. Stephanie.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Yeah. Open it. Open it. Allez, c'est même pas au secret. Même pas sous. So next year you will understand better. Yeah.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it.
You know how to do it.
To Nana and Papi.
Go sleep now.
Alessio.
Hey, Alessio. To Nana and Papi from Alessio. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Yeah. Wow. That's a lampshade. Wow. There's another one. Ooh.
Open it.
Open it. Open it. Hey, wow. Now full lango. Yeah.
From Ina. To Kilian from Nana.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Wow, that's nice. Thank you, Nana. Open it. Kiara, open. Mama. Open it. Tell her, no music. Open it. Wow. Mama, show me. Wow. That will go with your dollhouse. Oui. Open it. Yeah. Ooh, open it. Wow, Alessio, you're gonna take so long.
I don't have any more memory.
Bravo, okay.
His favorite song as well.
McDonald's.
Okay, if we're ready.
me from Papi.
Oh! Open it, open it, open it, open it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Kiara, something or something you say Kiara, Miss Nancy.
Open it, open it, open it, open it, open it, open it, open it.
Thank you so much.
What is that? Hey, let's see.
I love you, boy.
What is that? Oh, it's shoes. Wow. Do you like it? Wow. I'm Cynthia. Well done.
Open it.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The receipt is there, you know. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Next time I put the name. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Yeah. Woo! Moi, je pas couleur non, parce que c'est important aussi black. So j'ai pris aussi ton couleur black. Is it dress? No, it's not like that. It's not ooh yet. Oh, it's a dress. Yeah. Oh. But you made something inside, isn't it? Yeah. Oh. There is a receipt inside in everything. Yeah, in case it's big. I don't know. You can say whatever.
It's Stephanie from Mommy.
Thank you. Greg, come and give it to me.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Kiara, you're blocking the game a lot.
I'm not the best gift. You guys, we don't say kiss. Thank you. Thank you.
Look at that.
I think we're finished here. Là, Tiffany, open it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Finish. This is my opening. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is for Kiara. Munya Kiara. Donc, Kiara, on va jouer à 2021. Tu vas jouer à 6. À tout à l'heure, mais que